Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my red kidney beans and rice. Jamaican call it rice and peas, but Guyanese just call it cookup. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I make this delicious cookup, red kidney beans cookup. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload the next video. Alright, so when you finish also looking at this red kidney beans and rice cookup, you can also check the link in the description box for my macaroni salad. Like I said yesterday, I did 3 dishes. I did my macaroni salad, my red kidney beans cookup, and my jerk chicken. Right, so check in the link in the description box and you'll see how I make my macaroni salad. Alright, and look out for my jerk chicken. That video is next. I might upload it within the next 2 days or so. Alright, so let me just show you the ingredients to how to make this red kidney beans cookup. Trust me, my cookup came out so delicious. Alright, so let me just show you the ingredients. Hi guys, today we're going to be doing some rice and peas. So this is my red kidney beans here. I'm using this red kidney beans here. So what I'm going to do now is put it into my pressure pot to pressure. About 50 minutes. So we'll be back and I'll show you guys the rest of ingredients. Alright, okay guys, so my red pigeon peas already pressure, and I pour it in this pot here, and I have here some fine leaf thyme, marmot poke, shallots, wiri pepper, and some cube. And here I have some coconut milk, parsley. This is ginger mixed with onion powder, garlic powder. This is some paprika mixed with some chili powder and black pepper. I have 1.5 cup rice here, so and my peas is in there. So I'm gonna put my rice into the pot now. I'm also gonna put in my coconut milk. Alright, and then I'm gonna put in my black pepper, chili powder, paprika, ginger, onion powder, garlic powder, and some parsley. And here I have my seasoning as well. I'm gonna pour everything inside here. Right, I put everything inside. Some Guyanese cookup seasoning to flavor it. Right, and then I'm going to stir everything in. I'm going to taste it to see if it needs anything else. Okay, it tastes good. So I'm going to let this boil now and we'll be back. Okay guys, so my rice has been cooking for about 20 minutes. So I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes to dry down and it's all finished. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Jamaican rice and peas. I also have some jerk chicken there and some macaroni salad. So all 3 of these videos I'll be uploading soon, so just keep a lookout for all 3 of the video: the macaroni salad, the rice and peas, and the jerk chicken. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and please put all your notification bells so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright? Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye.